Hello, my name is Ruth Carter and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the week. So, somebody asked me, can someone else post your personal information online? That's kind of a complicated question. And as most of you know who watch these videos, the answers to most questions starts with, it depends. So, the first question I would ask in this situation is, where did this person get your personal information? Because if it's information that is publicly available, either because it's listed on a public website or it's information that you've previously released, you have no expectation of privacy in any of that information. So the fact that somebody else repeated it doesn't necessarily mean that your rights have been violated. In many cases, they haven't. Now, if it's a situation where someone is releasing your unlisted phone number, your private email, information that you would ordinarily keep private and other people should know that they should keep it private, that's a different issue, depending on your state laws about privacy. There is a law in many states about the release of private information into the public domain. If you do that, then you may have probably a civil claim against that person, and you could sue them for releasing that information. It also could be a situation where if someone's releasing your information to harass you, that could be some type of, criminal harassment, and you could have a, police report filed against you, and it would be investigated, and they would determine how that situation would end. So there's your answer to that question. If you are concerned about your information being released, you have to remember that it is your responsibility to keep your private information private, because once it goes out there, once you put it out there, you can never fully take it back. And also be careful about how you may be disclosing information in a way that you don't really realize it. Like through your social media posts, people can learn a lot about who you are, what you like, and where you go. So the fact that someone tracks it isn't necessarily illegal. It depends on how they do it and what they do with that information that would determine if your rights have been violated. But if there's information that you don't want people to know about you, don't put it online. So I hope that answers your question. If you have a question that you'd like me to answer in a future video, please leave it as a comment below. Please subscribe to the channel. And with that, I will catch up with you later. Take care.